sit in the lab and show me something. Keep it sauce and tell nobody in your city. Smoke exotics. Hey, spin it slow.
What is up, babies? Alright, so as you can tell by the title, you already know I'm gonna try to do another braided hairstyle on my hair. We're gonna pray for this one. I mean, because the last braids, they were really cute, the ones I put the beads on and everything. But this time I'm going to try to attempt to do bohemian braids on my hair, y'all. It's kind of, I don't know why I always want to braid my hair late at night, and every time I get ready to record, my freaking eyelash always gets stuck and have me looking like I got one eye closed and one eye open every time I record. So excuse me again. Okay, but yeah, so I want to attempt to do the bohemian braids on my hair, and I'm not gonna do the curly ends because when I went to the store, like, I got the wrong type of hair. And right now, you know, for COVID, since COVID and everything, they're not accepting any returns. And I bought like 8 packs of this hair. Oh, and in my last video with this hair, everybody wanted to know what kind of wig this was. And it's this one. Can you see that? And it was $188.99. But this is the wig. It's so soft and everything. But anyways, this is not a wig review. I'm just letting you guys know what type of wig this is that I got on, in case you want to go find it. This is the hair that I got for my box braids and my curls. I wanted to do something other than black, and I used to wear this color hair like a long time ago. So this is what I got. This, can you see that? Runway waterway, and I got it in number 30. And let me open it so y'all can see. And I used this hair. I did my daughter's butterfly locks. They are super cute. I don't know if I'm inside a picture or not, but if I do, it'll be like right here while I'm opening this. So I'll show you guys the butterfly locks that I did on her with this hair. And they turned out super cute. Okay, dang, come on, open. Okay, so this is the hair. And I love it because I used to wear this color all the time. It goes so good with my skin tone. Then we have this one for the box braids. I got this 6x African 32-inch, and I got this in shade 27. Don't judge me because I already have my hair braided under this wig to the way that I want it, so don't judge me. So as you already know, whenever I braid my hair, I already have it like braided into the ponytails, because with my natural hair and braiding it into the box braids, it gets really tangly. Oh yeah, so I'm finna change angles for you guys, and the lighting is gonna be really different because my tripod is so short. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started because this was a super long freaking intro. All right, love you guys, and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But yes, I'm just using about this much hair, and I don't even have to like half it or anything like that because it's already pretty long. And yep, and the way that I braid, like I said, I always keep my hair like in the ponytail when I'm doing it. I do it, all I do is just loop it around the ponytail like this, and then I just braid. And then you can't even see the rubber band. And I just use this, my real hair, as a strand, and then once I get halfway down, Then I'll split the hair and mix it with my real hair. And that's it. So by the time I get, I want to say right here, I'll split the sections up. Excuse the lighting, you guys, if it's dark. As a matter of fact, I'll probably just be back when, let me fix this lighting because I feel weird. Because like I said, the lighting is weird. See? I hate that. What's up, guys? So I'm still braiding my hair and I just thought about something. Okay, so remember I said this is the hair that I got and I actually got the wrong type of hair, but I was gonna try to use it anyway, but I don't think it's gonna look that good. And I just remembered I had some track hair that I had got from when I made one of my wigs back in the summer. And I had these 2 bundles left of the track hair. If you want to buy it, it's this kind here. It's this one. So what I'm thinking is I can actually cut the hair off the weft and then use these pieces for the hair to put in, crochet it in like that. What y'all think? Just let me go ahead and continue braiding. I'm almost done. This is how much I have done so far. So, see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, so I have finished all of this back here. And then this is the front part that I'm gonna braid, that I'm gonna add the hair to. You guys, I'm tired. I just got these 3 left. I'm so tired. Like a 2-hour break. I don't know why I did that because it just made me more tired. Dang. This is the hard part. I think if this is the part that's taking me the longest is this hair. And I think if I had longer pieces, it would go faster. But since the pieces I have are super short, I have to keep like trying to measure it and make sure I leave enough hair out to give it some length and not just have a little short piece or whatever. But so far so good. I mean, okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I'm trying to see if y'all can see how long they are. This is the finished look. I just put a little bit of curlies in there. I didn't put any in the back, but you can't really tell. Anyways, you guys, this really took me about 3 hours to do because my hair was already in the ponytails. But I think it turned out really cute. I'm just about to go to sleep because I don't have no energy. But the hardest part is just putting these little curly things in there because I have to cut them out the bundles. But use a whole pack and then 2.5 on my hair. So it came with 6 on there, and I used 2.5 and a whole pack. And then with the bundle pieces that I put in, I used half a bundle of hair on that. But you guys, I'm about to crash because I'm tired. I'm tired. So thank you guys so much for watching, and leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully this looks good in the daylight, because right now I don't know because I'm in the house, but hopefully it looks good in the daylight. But anyways, good night, good morning, wherever it is in your town. It's 5 o'clock in the morning now, so I'm trying to crash it out, go sleep. Bye, you guys.